I would say I close around 5 transactions per month.
Last year, I closed over 22 transactions and my income has increased drastically.
I have been in this office for maybe less than 4 months, but I already closed 3 deals and I'm actively working on many buyers right now.
When I was independent, I believe I closed maybe like 8 deals, 10 deals a year. And last year was my first full year with the team, and I believe I closed to like 40 deals.
Hi, my name is Eileen Matias, and I'm with Rudy's home selling team. The systems that we have in place has really helped me close, 24 plus deals a year.
Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Leonardi with your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. It's gonna be my 4th year with this team. We have a totally different team system. How this team system benefits our clients and myself. Basically, all I need to do is just serve the clients 100%. I wake up with appointments, real seller and buyer's appointments, ready to sell, ready to buy. I don't need to do cold calling, door knocking, prospecting, anything. I don't have to spend anything on marketing. I just show up in front of clients. I am the selling partner in this team. So my job is just to make sure to net our sellers the most money and sell in their time frame. And we have admin, media, marketing, inside sales department that takes care of all the lead generations. So they do the cold calling, prospecting for all the clients, and they booking the buyers appointment to my partners, which is the buyer's agent. So this is what we do every single day to collect this over 35,000 cash buyers in our database.
Hi, my name is Tim Ho. I am Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team. I've been an agent for approximately over 10 years now. My previous Remax company that I used to work with was, the Mike Ferry system where you would go out and knock on doors, make all the cold calls, go through the Mike Ferry scripts and whatnot to, at the end of the day, get your own customers. I was very successful with the Mike Ferry system, and I was also very successful not using the Mike Ferry system. One thing that I decided to come join the Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team, it's very simple. With the Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team, I no longer have to prospect anymore. What I do now is I just open up my calendar, make myself available, and then the team will go ahead and just book me appointments. My appointments could either be with a buyer or with the seller. As a listing agent, they try to book me as many listing appointments as possible. So what I do is I just go through the process, the training that Rudy provides here. Then I just go to a listing appointment. At the end of the day, it's very simple. It's already sold themselves, and I just ask them to sign.
Hi, my name is Kirsten Her. I'm a real estate agent at Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team. I have been in this office for maybe less than 4 months. Before I joined this office, I used to work at Keller Williams, Studio City. Compared to the training that I received there and here, it's like night and day. I think most of other offices for real estate companies, they train for you to gain confidence. But here, it's more of educating you, pack you with what's going on in our industry, or really learning what you are supposed to do as an agent, rather than being just a confident person. Also, I want to mention about our teamwork, because we do really work like a family. You can ask basically anything to anybody. They don't have cold shoulders and they don't compete with you because all the leads are from the office.
Hi, my name is Stacy Pham with Rudy's Home Selling Team. I've been with Rudy's team for close to 3 years now. Prior to joining Rudy's team, I was working with Keller Williams. At Keller Williams, I was more of a solo agent where I had to do constant cold calling, door knocking, trying to get my own leads. And it took a lot of time on me. At Rudy's team, Rudy offers us appointments where we don't have to do any of these cold callings and door knocking and trying to get our appointments every day and have to worry about where our next appointment is going to come. It's because all this is provided by Rudy. While joining his team, I've learned a lot from the system that he provided. I mean, his system really, really works. Being able to service the clients and really more knowledgeable on how to handle each transaction, even with challenges that comes my way. We work as a team and there's always support in every side that we need.
Hey there, this is Ronnie. I joined Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team about 2 years ago, and the experience has been wonderful. So before I joined the team, I was an independent broker. So I spend most of my time just servicing clients, and also I have to worry about where the next deal is going to be coming from, where my next client is going to be coming from, and that's one of the key reasons when I joined this team. So the system worked flawlessly. How it works is we spend 0 time on cold calling, on prospecting, on door knocking. The system is set up not only the leads are coming in to our inside sales team, and they will be booking appointments to us. We're talking about qualified appointments, the buyers, sellers that are motivated to buy or sell. So all we really need to do is to spend 100% of our time in servicing them. So it works really, really well. So we can really focus on doing what's right for the clients.
Being in this team, Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, it helps me achieve my clients' heart desires, and I can achieve my heart desires, meaning I have a lot of time for my family, my friends. I am a youth leader in my church. I am in the music team, worship team, so then we do have a lot of practices, so I have a lot of time to focus on my own. I don't, basically I can control my schedule, and I still have plenty of clients that I work with every single day. My goal in life was actually helping people. I was on the way to medical school when I heard about all the good things in the team. For example, that we are not just about selling and buying homes. We're more into, for example, this year we're on a mission to raise $100,000 towards the Children's Hospital. So when I hear about all these great things that this team does, it makes me want to join to be the part of the outside sales agent. So this is when I started about 2 years ago. And after that, basically my life changed. I'm 24 years old, but I'm able to provide for the family. I'm able to pay for my own bills.
By doing this, it also allows me to free up a lot of my time to spend more time with my family, because I no longer have to stay out till 7, 8 o'clock prospecting, and I no longer have to spend 2-3 hours a day phone calling, and at the same time, I no longer have to pay for all the phone call leads and all the speed dials. And at the end of the day, it does save me money.
Here, because constant lead is coming up, depends on what you do, you can comfortably earn enough income, yet spend good time with your family. I think as an agent, especially if you're starting new, that's something that you really want for yourself and for your family. And I think it's really, really important.
The interesting thing is that I actually have a lot more time compared to before, so I can spend time with my family. I have 2 little girls, and also spend more time to do things I enjoy doing, even in the weekend. So which is something that I'm, like I said, really thankful for this opportunity, so I can not only do what I love to do, helping clients with their real estate needs, but I can also have my time spent with my loved ones, with my families.
Since I became a mother with my daughter, it allows me being able to do things and go places with her as well, since she's still a young girl, and I do need to focus more on her. So I truly appreciate it, and I do recommend for anyone that's thinking of join Rudy's team.
It's helped me create a more balanced life with my kids, and that pays well, but also allows you to work from home and spend more time with family. So it does have a good balance of everything. That's why I love working with Rudy's.
So I'm really blessed and grateful to be in this part of the team, Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, because it helps everyone's achieving their heart desires.